What if I told you there are AI tools right now in 2026 that can save you hours every single week, help you earn more money, and even replace tasks that people use to pay professionals for? This isn't theory. This isn't hype. These are tools you can use today. In this video, I'm breaking down 10 AI tools that are true game changers in 2026 for creators, students, professionals, entrepreneurs, and honestly, for anyone who wants to work smarter instead of harder. I'm going to explain what each tool does, who it's best for, and why it matters right now, with no technical jargon required. And you'll definitely want to stick around until the end, because the last tool I am going to share is one that most people are still completely sleeping on. Let's start with the obvious, but in its upgraded form. ChatGPT in 2026 is no longer just a chatbot. It's a thinking assistant. Of course, you can still use it to write scripts, emails, and reports, but its real power now lies in its advanced reasoning mode. You can use it to analyze complex data sets and summarize dense research papers in seconds. You can have it plan entire businesses, workout routines, meal plans, and detailed daily schedules. You can also use it to brainstorm content ideas that are actually designed to perform well on specific platforms. The biggest change is how well it now understands context, long-term goals, and follow-up questions. Instead of just asking one-off questions, you can have these ongoing strategic conversations with it. You can say, based on our last discussion about my YouTube channel, let's refine those 3 video ideas for a younger audience. It remembers and builds on your previous interactions, making it an incredibly powerful partner. This is for content creators who need endless ideas, students drowning in research, entrepreneurs trying to map out a business plan, and professionals in almost any field you can imagine. If you're not using ChatGPT on a daily basis in 2026, you are simply working harder than you need to. It's as simple as that. Next up, a tool that has quietly become one of the most powerful productivity tools available: Notion AI. If you're already a Notion user, you know how great it is for organizing your life. But Notion AI takes it to a whole new level. It helps you automatically organize your scattered notes into structured documents. You can take your messy, stream of consciousness thoughts and, with one click, turn them into clean, actionable summaries. It can summarize long meetings or research articles for you, pulling out the key takeaways instantly. And one of my favorite features is its ability to create entire project plans from a simple prompt. What makes Notion AI so special is how it connects everything in your digital life. Your notes, your tasks, your calendars, and your ideas are all linked together in one intelligent workspace. Instead of constantly switching between a dozen different apps and losing focus, you stay in one place, deep in your flow state. This is absolutely perfect for remote workers trying to stay organized, students managing multiple classes, startup teams coordinating complex projects, and content planners trying to build a coherent strategy. Think of it as a digital brain that never forgets anything, helping you connect the dots you didn't even know were there. Now let's talk visuals. In 2026, AI-generated images are absolutely everywhere, and for good reason. Tools like Midjourney continue to lead the pack, letting you create stunning visuals with nothing more than simple text prompts. You can generate professional-looking YouTube thumbnails, custom logos for your brand, eye-catching social media graphics, detailed concept art for a project, and entire visual campaigns for marketing. The best part? You don't need any Photoshop skills. You don't need to hire a graphic designer. The barrier to creating beautiful visuals has been completely obliterated. For YouTubers in particular, AI image generators are a massive advantage. You can test 5 different thumbnail concepts in minutes to see which one performs best, dramatically improving your click-through rate without spending hours in a design program. This technology is a lifesaver for YouTubers, marketers who need a constant stream of fresh visuals, small businesses on a tight budget, and freelancers who want to offer more value to their clients. Visual storytelling has never been this accessible, this fast, or this powerful. If you're creating anything online, you need to be leveraging this. From static images, we move on to the next frontier, AI video editing, and a tool that is fundamentally changing how videos are made is Runway ML. This isn't just about adding fancy filters. Runway allows you to perform complex editing tasks that used to take professionals hours. You can remove the background from any video without needing a green screen. One of the most mind-blowing features is the ability to edit your video using text commands. You can literally type, "Make this clip black and white," or cut to a close-up of the speaker, and the AI does it for you. Even more, you can generate B-roll footage from simple text prompts. Need a shot of a busy city street at night? Just type it in. It can also be used to enhance low-quality footage, making grainy or blurry video look sharp and clear. This tool turns hours of tedious editing work into minutes of creative direction. If you're creating content for YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram, Runway gives you a serious, almost unfair competitive edge. It's a must-have for video creators, social media managers who need to produce content at scale, and small production teams looking to punch above their weight. Video is king, and Runway makes it a whole lot easier to wear the crown. Okay, so your visuals are sorted, but what about audio? Poor audio can kill even the best video. That's where a tool like 11 Labs comes in. In 2026, 11 Labs produces some of the most realistic, natural-sounding AI voices available. This isn't the robotic, monotone voice you're used to from old GPS systems. These voices are filled with emotion, inflection, and personality. You can use it to narrate your videos, create professional-grade audiobooks, and even localize your content into different languages or accents with a single click. It's also a lifesaver for replacing poor audio recordings. If you recorded a great video but the sound is full of background noise, you can simply feed the script into 11 Labs and get a perfect audio track. This is huge for creators who hate the sound of their own voice, for anyone who wants to ensure consistent audio quality across all their content, or for businesses looking to produce content for a global audience. Your audio quality builds trust with your audience, and this tool delivers that trust in spades, every single time. It's an incredibly powerful asset for any creator. Next, we have a tool that is fundamentally changing how we find and process information: Perplexity AI. Think of it as a search engine on steroids. Instead of just giving you a list of blue links to scroll through, Perplexity directly answers your questions with a concise, well-written summary. And here's the crucial part: it cites all its sources. This means you can quickly verify the information and dive deeper into the original articles if you need to. It's designed for research and learning, not just searching. Perplexity AI isn't just about getting answers faster. It's about getting better, more reliable answers. Instead of scrolling through pages of links, you get clear explanations backed by sources, all in one place. That means less time searching and more time actually understanding what you're working on. In 2026, when information is everywhere and our attention is so limited, tools like this help you stay focused, accurate, and confident in what you're creating. And once you've done the research, the next big challenge is turning that information into engaging content, without spending hours editing. That's where the next tool comes in. Once the research is done, editing often becomes the biggest bottleneck for creators, and that's exactly what tool number 7 is designed to eliminate. Let's talk about CapCut's AI features. While CapCut started as a simple mobile editor, its AI capabilities in 2026 are truly impressive. It offers one-click solutions for tasks that used to be a major headache. Its auto-reframe feature can instantly adapt a horizontal YouTube video into a vertical format for TikTok or Reels, intelligently keeping the main subject in the frame. Its AI-powered captions are incredibly accurate and can be stylized in seconds, saving you from manually typing out every word. Plus, it has features to automatically remove filler words like and from your audio, cleaning up your narration instantly. For content creators who need to work fast and publish across multiple platforms, CapCut's AI suite is a non-negotiable. It's perfect for social media managers, TikTokers, and YouTubers who want to maximize their content's reach with minimal extra effort. Our 8th tool is for anyone who needs to write high-quality, long-form content. It's called Jasper AI. While ChatGPT is a fantastic all-around assistant, Jasper is specifically trained for marketing and sales copy. In 2026, it excels at understanding brand voice, tone, and specific marketing objectives. You can feed it a simple brief, and it can generate entire blog posts, website landing pages, ad copy, and email marketing campaigns that are optimized for conversion. Its brand voice feature allows you to upload your existing content, and Jasper will learn to write exactly like you or your brand. It's also integrated with search engine optimization tools, helping you create content that not only reads well, but also ranks high on Google. This is an indispensable tool for marketers, bloggers, small business owners, and freelance writers who need to produce persuasive content at scale. Jasper helps you go from a blank page to a polished, effective piece of writing in a fraction of the time. Tool number 9 is a little different, but incredibly powerful for anyone in a creative or professional field. It's called Descript. Descript is an audio and video editor that works like a Word document. It automatically transcribes your media, and then you can edit the video or audio simply by editing the text. Want to remove a sentence? Just delete it from the transcript, and it's gone from the video. Want to move a section? Just cut and paste the text. But its most magical feature is overdub. You can create a digital clone of your own voice and then type words to generate new audio in your voice. Did you misspeak or forget to say something? No need to re-record. Just type in the correction, and Descript will fix it for you seamlessly. This is a game changer for podcasters, YouTubers, and anyone who does interviews or narration. It streamlines the post-production process like nothing else. All right, let's wrap this up with the 10th and final tool, which I honestly believe is the biggest game changer of all. This is where we're heading in 2026 and beyond: AI agents and automation tools. Think about this. So far, we've talked about AI helping with single tasks. But AI agents are different. They handle entire processes. Imagine an AI that doesn't just draft an email for you, but schedules your tasks, automatically responds to routine emails, analyzes incoming data for you, and runs entire workflows without you even lifting a finger. This is the point where AI stops being just a tool and starts becoming a true digital assistant, a partner in your work. The businesses and professionals who get on board with this early, they're going to have a massive, almost unfair advantage. It's like having a whole team working for you 24/7. So let's bring this all together. What's the big picture for AI in 2026? It's not about replacing humans. It's about removing friction. It's about getting rid of all the tedious, repetitive, soul-crushing tasks that get in the way of real, meaningful work. The people who are going to win in the coming years are not necessarily the ones who work the longest hours or the hardest. They're going to be the ones who work the smartest, by leveraging the most intelligent tools available. It's about augmenting your own abilities, not outsourcing your job. Now, after all that, I really want to hear from you. Looking back at all 10 tools we've covered, which one surprised you the most? And which one are you maybe already using or planning to use right away? Drop your answer down in the comments. I promise I read every single one, and I'd love to see what you're thinking. If this video series helped you get a clearer picture of the future, do me a favor and hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and maybe share it with a friend or colleague who needs to work a little smarter this year. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.